Hello students, welcome in physical education class. Student, in the previous topic we discussed about the advantages of physical activities for children with special needs. It means if a person who is suffering from or who are having some kind of disability, then how can physical activities make his or her life better? We discuss this topic and we discuss these points. Reduces level of anxiety, stress and depression. It means physical activities give them chance to make fun in their life. It means it reduces the anxiety, stress and depression. Next point was improved social interaction. Whenever they take part in physical activities, they get some social interaction with other person. Next was better emotional and psychological health. It means when they take part in physical activities, they get good emotional control and they will be psychologically fit and healthy. Next was cognitive benefit. It means the physical activities allow them to discover and assess strength that cannot be challenged in the classroom setting. It means they get a chance to prove themselves. They let to know about their strength, and by knowing their strength they can focus on that only. Today we will discuss about the strategies to make physical activity accessible for the children with special needs. It means how we can make the things very easy for those persons who are disabled or who are specially needs children or person. First is medical checkup. If a person do the medical checkup and the person knows about the disability, what kind of disability he or she is having, then only we can get the solution and we can make some different strategies for those types of children. Here you can see in the picture, if a person is having some disability in their legs and cannot walk and cannot run, then their time they use the wheelchair. If we have stairs like this, then the person will face so many problems. Then if we know about the disability, then we can make the strategies, different strategies and different kind of things which can suitable for them, in which they can perform their day-to-day activities very smoothly. Next is activity based on interest. It means the physical activities should be based on the interest of the person who is having any disability or disorder. If we make some activities or we design some activities for them, it should be based on their interest, because if they are interested in that activity, then they will take part with their heart and with their will. So we can say physical activities must be based on the interest, aptitudes and abilities of the children children with special needs, right? Next is different instructional strategies. It means a variety of different instructional strategies such as verbal, visual and peer teaching should be used for performing various types of physical activities. It means if we will know about the types of disability, that time we can make the things according to the need of these children, right? Next is modification of rules. You see, in the Paralympic games we modified so many rules and we also modify so many equipments for those who are especially need children, so that they will not face any kind of problem. The activities will be easy or suitable for them. Sometimes we modification in the rules. Sometimes we change the size, shape and size of the equipment. Sometimes we keep the easy rules for them, right? These kind of activities make them very friendly with the physical activities. Next is specific environment. Yes, we should provide them a specific environment in which they can feel very stress free, in which they can take part easily, and it can happen only them if we will know the type of disability or what kind of disorder they are having. Then only we can provide them a specific environment. Here I was having an example for this. If some person is using wheelchair, that time that person is unable to climb the stairs, then what should be done? If you noticed that in the Indian Railway, the height of platform and the height of trains floor was different in the part-time or till now in the express trains, but now time in the metros the level of the platform and level of the floor of the metro train is equal. It means when we get to know about this disability, and now we are making the things easier to them which are having this kind of disability. There are lots of example, and we can see next example from the Paralympic movement. If some persons are having the injury in their legs, then we can use the they can use the artificial leg in the running, as you can see in this image, right? Okay, thank you for today. If you have some idea, okay, how can we make some more strategies to make their life more smooth, more easily, then your suggestions are most welcome, and you should always try to help these kinds of children so that there will be proper growth of physically as well as mental growth will be there in these kinds of children. Thank you.